This is the best soft sourdough whole grain sandwich bread, and you don't want to miss out making today's recipe. Welcome to Dawn of Cooking. We will only need 5 ingredients and a scale. I've been feeding the sourdough and keeping it in a nice warm spot so it's nice and bubbly and ready to use. So I'm going to be measuring out 130 grams of sourdough starter. In this recipe, I'm going to be using 250 grams of the whole grain flour and 250 grams of Artisan white flour. The loaf of sourdough sat in the refrigerator overnight, and then I pulled it out this morning, brought it to room temperature, and now I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. As you can see, it's minus 20 below here where we live in North Pole, Alaska, but it's absolutely beautiful with the white snow and the crisp, cool air and all the snows on the trees. So Happy New Year from Dawn of Cooking. I appreciate you guys so much, and I love hearing from you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. I'll put a couple more on the end screen for you to see.